Russian UAV operators tracked Ukrainian Mavic reconnaissance drones, uncovering the location of the Ukrainian UAV control point. Following this, FPV drones loaded with ammunition were deployed, successfully destroying the control center. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. Near the village of Gashino, a KVN FPV drone operator from the Rubicon Center spotted a BMP-2 parked by the side of the road while pursuing a moving Ukrainian armored vehicle. The operator had to make a quick decision: engage the moving vehicle or the stationary BMP-2. Ultimately, the drone targeted and destroyed the BMP-2. A fiber optic drone tracked and destroyed a Ukrainian vehicle equipped with an electronic warfare (REB) system. Despite the countermeasures, the fiber optic cable rendered the system ineffective. 6:43 p.m., November 13, 2025. A Russian operator encountered a Ukrainian soldier on a bicycle while conducting reconnaissance in Kutka. Meanwhile, Russian special forces carried out a raid on a nearby building. As a result of the strike, the Humvee rolled off the road. Several FPV drones that pursued it delivered a complete destruction of the vehicle. Aerial reconnaissance by the 1st Tank Army using UAVs detected Ukrainian preparations in time. Attack-focused FPV drones struck and destroyed the wooden rafts before they could be used. A Russian kamikaze drone struck a Ukrainian vehicle transporting soldiers, but the explosive failed to detonate. Despite the hit, the drone did not cause the expected damage, demonstrating that even advanced munitions can malfunction in combat. Incidents like this highlight the unpredictable nature of modern drone warfare and the critical need for caution during frontline operations. The Russian drone operator destroyed a shelter reinforced with heavy concrete. First, the operator disabled the closing lid, then penetrated the shelter. Sunumi direction. Russian operators pursued a retreating enemy artillery unit. With no time to escape, the enemy could only reach the nearest scrap metal collection point. November 11, 2025. Near the settlement of Kolodezhnoye in the Kharkiv region, Russian forces successfully engaged and destroyed 2 Ukrainian tanks reportedly from the Kiev formation. During a localized clash, Russian anti-tank units identified the armored vehicles and struck with precision munitions. Flames engulfed the tanks, and secondary explosions indicated direct hits to their ammunition compartments. The loss of these assets disrupted Ukrainian mobility in the sector and highlighted the ongoing intensity of armored combat along the Kharkiv front. First images from the liberated Serebryansky forest. Explorers from the Western group showcased how they overcame Ukrainian defensive lines. Russian forces advanced through the echelon defense line, ultimately reaching Yampol in the DPR. Small groups of Ukrainian soldiers either surrendered to Russian troops or were eliminated while resisting.
Пошел! Кэш. Только вот з полігону мене кинули на посаду водія.
November 2025, fierce battles for Ribno. A large contingent of Russian soldiers advanced under constant fire, capturing NATO-supplied weapons during intense fighting in the settlement of Ribno. Footage released by the 37th Guards Motorized Rifle Brigade, part of the 36th Army within Russia's vast group of forces, provides a striking and atmospheric view of the front line. The video showcases the daily bravery and determination of Russian troops operating under constant enemy surveillance and fire. Reconnaissance units can be seen cautiously advancing across open terrain, aware of the constant threat from Ukrainian aerial reconnaissance and artillery strikes. Every step forward is taken with extreme care, yet the scouts continue to push ahead, maintaining coordination and communication under the most dangerous conditions. The second part of the footage gives a tour of former Ukrainian positions that have been successfully cleared by Russian forces. The scenes reveal the aftermath of fierce combat: destroyed fortifications, abandoned equipment, and a wide array of captured weaponry and ammunition. Among the trophies are NATO-produced arms and gear, highlighting the scale of Western support for Ukrainian forces and the effectiveness of Russian operations in neutralizing these assets. Particularly noteworthy is how Russian reconnaissance units are resupplied in the field using FPV drones. These drones deliver ammunition and essential supplies directly to forward positions, allowing troops to maintain operational momentum even when traditional supply routes are too risky due to enemy observation or minefields. The footage also highlights the harsh realities of the battlefield. Scouts from Barata move not only under the threat of hostile drones, but also through dangerous minefields, demonstrating remarkable composure and professionalism. Step by step, they close in on Ribno, taking control of enemy trenches and fortifications. This visual testimony underscores the courage, resilience, and tactical skill of vast group fighters. Every frame reflects the determination of Russian forces to advance despite the challenges, turning each liberated position into a symbol of sacrifice and valor on the southern front.